What is up, you guys? Long time no see. Welcome back to my channel. It's Andrea, and today we are going to be doing a tutorial on this fall makeup look. Yes, I know it's summertime, but I decided to play with some warm colors. Posted this look on Instagram, and I actually got a few DMs from a few of you to ask if I was going to post this on the YouTube. So here it is, just for you. So I've been gone for about 2 months, and it's because I had my first YouTube meltdown. I literally couldn't even handle it. I'm literally just kidding. That's not true. I was gone because I had absolutely no way of posting any video. I had no editing software. I was finishing off the summer term for school. It had just been too crazy, and I just couldn't get myself back on YouTube. I'm already filming on my phone and I couldn't edit on my phone, so I can't even like figure out iMovie on the telefono, so it just wasn't going to happen. So whatever, I am back now. I have a new computer and new editing software. I have a ring light. Your girl is making those moves to really improve the content for you guys and for myself, because I want to put out stuff that I'm proud of. So yes, wow, that was a very long unnecessary explanation because nobody cares. So now that I've explained why I've been gone, we can finally go ahead and start with the makeup tutorial for this look right here. So if you want to see how I did this, keep on watching. Hey guys, so as I said in the intro, I am so excited to be back on YouTube. I'm back, I'm better, I have lights now. I'm just so excited to actually begin this journey. So today's video, as the title says, I will be doing a fall makeup tutorial. Even though it's still summer, it's never too early to start playing with those warm orangey yellow tone fall colors. So that is what we are doing. I have already done my eyebrows. They're prepped, they're concealed, and they're ready to go. So to prep the rest of my eyes, I'm still using the Makeup Revolution concealer. I think it's great, super affordable, and it works perfectly. So to get started, I'm gonna zoom you guys in a little closer so we can see everything going on. Okay, so as I said, we're gonna be using the Makeup Revolution concealer. I'm just gonna put a few dots, conceal my eyes, my veins, and just prep. Change of plans. As you can see, I actually decided to do one eye off of camera, not the whole thing, but most of it, because I actually did this makeup look like last week, and I kind of like low-key forgot what I was supposed to do. So I went ahead and I did the other eye off camera, added a lash. I'm gonna finish it off after we do this eye so we can do our base and all that jazz. And yes, so now remember, I have been refreshed, and now we can actually get started. It's like real up close and personal, but you know, this is a makeup tutorial, and I really hope that this lighting is good and you can see everything. It's the first time I'm filming with this ring light, and I don't know, let me know if you can actually see what I'm doing or not. So my extra ass decided to use 3 palettes for this eye look. You don't need to, it's just because 2 of them had like the yellow that I needed. So I will be using the Morphe Pride collection palette, the Daisy Marquez collab with BH Cosmetics, and the main star is actually just the Morphe 39A Dare to Create palette. So let's get started. I re-primed my eyeball just to make sure that we are nice and sticky and good to go. Start off with these 2 shades from the Morphe palette. Big fluffy luxy brush. I'm just going to kind of tap into them like this. So I'm just going to be putting that all over my transition area. It's not perfect, it's just supposed to be so all the other colors blend in perfectly fine. So next I'm going to take this other luxy brush So this one was the Luxie Large Eye Blending, and now I'm gonna take the Luxie Tapered Blending. It looks like this, and I'm gonna take this shade from the Morphe palette, shake off the excess. I'm gonna start super close here and buff it out this way. This part doesn't have to be super precise because we will be cutting the crease pretty high up, but regardless, just always make sure to blend all that stuff out. I'm gonna go in again with the big fluffy brush and the lighter one. This one right here, pop it on top like this to make sure everything is blended. Okay, now we're taking the Luxie 121 Mini Tapered, one of my faves. I use it like all the time. So Vibrant and Vivid are both going to go in the crease in the outer corner. This one Evolve with this tapered like crease brush that I have, and we're gonna like put it out here in like a triangular shape. Blend upwards and keep that triangle shape. Don't go past your crease line. Fluff this out. Perfect. Right now we're gonna finish off, cut the crease, and pack on the yellow shades. So I'm gonna take the Makeup Revolution concealer on this Luxie 245 small shader and put a little bit. Look up, you know the drill. Oh, I kind of messed up a little bit. It's fine. Lid is nice, snatched and cut. And I'm going to take the packing brush that we're going to be using today for the yellow. Is this one from the Vintage Company. This one is step 3, go go go. So we're just gonna go in, dip into Flower from the Daisy Marquez collab. We're gonna blend that in with Sunlight from the Morphe palette, which are these both very different yellows. This one is more warm golden, and then Flower is more bright. So we're gonna kind of just mix them both together and pack it on just like this. Shade right here, Stroke. This one is just like a deep brown that we're gonna use to blend in the outer corner with this yellow situation. Just very, very lightly hover over and just blend together, as well as going back in with the yellow, packing it on over here to make sure they're blended and look seamless and beautiful. The last couple things we're gonna do before we do our glitter and add our lash is add more deepness. Like you see how this one's a little darker. We want to add a little bit more of that chocolatey rich brown, super strong brown color called Expression. I'm just gonna put it here in the outer corner, very close to the lash line. But I went ahead and really cleaned this up, made it a nice cat eye effect. Add the NYX glitter liner. This is in the shade Chamomile. I'm gonna go ahead and pop on the Goddess lashes from Lily Lashes. Okay, so we're back. I finished the rest of my face. My face like routine is basically the same as always. So I'm gonna do my lower lash line now, which is so important. I feel like it brings this look together perfectly. These two. So it's these two right here, Vibrant, Vivid, and smoke out that lower lash line. I'm actually bringing those shades really close to my cheekbone. I'm really liking that look lately, just like super blown out, super smoked out at the bottom. Now we're gonna take the big fluffy brush with this super light shade right here. A mixture of a little bit of these two. Those are Barren Canvas. Just a little tiny bit. And blend and smoke out that harshness from that orangey vibe. For my inner corner, I'm going to dip into the Morphe Pride palette with my favorite inner corner highlighting brush, the Luxie Mini Round. Super amazing brush for inner corner. Taking this shade right here. This one is called Stone Wall. I'm going to really pack the shade on because it's beautiful, but it's not the most pigmented in this palette. Okay, so for my lips, I've actually used a combination of this Steve Laurent lip pencil. This one is in the shade Chic with my favorite gloss of all time, ColourPop Cabana Boy. Now to finish off the rest of this makeup look, I'm gonna set my face using the Pacifica Crystal Dew Crystal Setting Spray. I'm just gonna spray it because I want a little bit of dewiness. We're still in the summertime, we don't need all the mattes. So we want a little glow, a little dewiness. I'm just gonna go super crazy with the setting spray because I'm extra. But yeah, almost forgot mascara to the bottom lashes. Actually, our last final step is this Appeal Gel Liner in Desert Taupe in the waterline. Okay, so now that officially wraps up this video. This is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed. I had so much fun filming this tutorial. I am so excited to be back on YouTube, back on Instagram, just like really grinding and just putting out the best content that I can for you guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure to give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe down below. While you're at it, click the notification bell so you are notified whenever I post. I will be posting Wednesdays, Fridays, and Sundays, 3 videos a week for the rest of this month. So yeah, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.